Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday. So I've been seeing this, the new news about you should wear a mask out now all the time instead of just if you're feeling sick to protect yourself better. I'm not one of those people that are hoarding N95 masks or surgical masks, and I don't know how to sew, so I have to make my own mask without sewing. I've seen a couple of these videos already, and I'm sure some of you have seen them as well, but I wanted to make my own video for you guys. So, this might be a little bit different than what you've seen already. Maybe you've seen it done this way before, but again, just wanted to make my own video. So what I've been seeing is people folding the bandana this way, but I'm not going to do it like that. So first of all, you're going to need a bandana or some sort of scarf and 2 hair ties. So what I've been doing is I'm folding my bandana like this. So I take the top and I fold it down to the middle, and then I take the bottom and I fold that to the middle. Then I take the bottom and I kind of roll it up once, and the top. Fold it over a little bit. See how it has like that little fold over, but not too much. Then you're going to take 1 hair tie and go to this side and put it in there. Now, the more you move in the hair tie, the tighter the mask will be. And I suggest moving it in more because it's supposed to be tighter on your face. So then you're going to do the other side. So now the reason why I folded mine this way is because a lot of people I've seen videos, they just kind of fold it over like this and then you put the mask on. I didn't like that. So the reason why I folded it this way is because it creates this little flap. So then when you fold it over, you have this little area where you can kind of hide the bandana. Then you fold over the other area, the other one, and then I feel like it kind of hides it a little bit more. All right, and there you go. Mask. No sewing. If you suck at sewing like me, pretty easy. And then I'm gonna attach some photos of me wearing this. Don't mind my look, because we're in quarantine, so I don't have makeup on or anything. All right, thanks for watching.